The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Pins Mechanical Co. Pins Mechanical Co. is the perfect place to spend time with your loved ones this holiday season. They've got a ton of things to see and do. Ashley Hill, Assistant General Manager, is here to tell us more. And Ashley, my first question is, what makes Pins Mechanical Company a great place for holiday gifts?
Pins Mechanical is the perfect place to get your gifts just because we have so much to do in over 40,000 square feet. We have duckpin bowling, we have arcade games, pinball, and a bunch of free games, as well as our classic cocktails and beer.
Yeah, we're going to talk about all of those things in a little more depth. Let's start with drink specials or happy hour deals that you have for guests that are looking to unwind while they have some fun.
So all of our weekdays from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. we have half off all of our short and tall beers and $5 off of our signature cocktails.
All right, let's talk about the kind of games and experiences that visitors can expect when they come in.
So we have our ping pong square that has 3 ping pong tables that you're more than welcome to just go up to at any time. We have our pinball alley, duckpin bowling, as I said earlier, and our free arcade room in the back corner of the building, and our crown jewel, the 70s room.
The 70s room, which is set up just like Grandma would be proud of, right?
Oh yeah, shag carpet walls, Sega consoles, it's beautiful.
Oh, that's amazing. And you know I have to ask about duckpin bowling a little bit more because people may not have a good idea of what exactly that is. It's similar to the bowling we know, but not quite.
Right. So the main difference is that it is smaller. It's kind of like you shrink down bowling with a mini ray gun, and then you get 3 turns instead of 2.
Oh, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. And then we're standing right in front of a massive Lite-Brite sign. This is a fan favorite.
Oh yeah, it's huge. Tons of fun for adults and kids. We have a lot of different color options, and we see everything on there.
Yeah, you can come up here and just literally pull colors and start designing, right?
Yes, we've seen Super Mario, Pac-Man.
Let's talk about any spaces or special amenities, maybe for groups looking to host an event, corporate events for the holidays, or maybe just a get-together with the family.
Oh yeah, tons of options from groups as small as like 8 all the way to 1,400. One of our favorite spaces is the mezzanine that provides kind of like a private venue where you can see all of the action below.
So let's talk about an offer that you have going on right now, which makes it even more tantalizing to give for the holidays.
Ooh, so we do have a holiday special on gift cards. If you order online, you get a $25 bonus gift card for every $100 that you spend, and a $10 bonus gift card for every $50.
Okay, sounds good to me. Happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays.
Check out their website, pinsbar.com, for more info on games, daily specials, and how to book your next event. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Pins Mechanical Co.